Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal centimeter question asked in grade 2006 EEE paper. The question is which of the following is true? We have to check it. A finite signal is always bounded, not required, right? For example, impulse signal. Impulse signal is finite duration signal, but amplitude is infinity, right? So it may be unbounded also. Yeah. Second one, a bounded signal always possesses finite energy. Yes, that is true. Right? So what is the energy of the formula? Energy signal or energy of the signal E is equal to minus mv plus infinity. But here they gave a finite signal. So I take from T1 to T2. So bounded signal. This is T1 to T2. Let me assume the signal is x of t for that dt. So whatever be the value, if we substitute this bounded signal, right? So if you find what you call energy, it is the energy of the signal or bounded. Surely this answer will be less than infinity. So a bounded signal always possesses finite energy. True. Next one, a bounded signal always zero outside the interval for term. Some t not required, right? So this is the wrong answer. Bounded signal is always finite, not at all required, right? So it may be infinite also, right? So some length it may be infinity. It may come like this. This is bounded, so it may start from infinity and come to zero at particular point. So nothing is possible except to B. So B is a true answer. Bounded signal always possesses finite energy. Thank you.